Hi everyone, welcome to ESL Tutor for All. Today we're learning all 16 English tenses for the verbs jump and swim. Don't worry, we'll go step by step. For each tense, I'll teach you when we use it, the sentence structure, and simple examples for each verb. Ready? Let's dive in. First, the present tenses. Present simple. We use the present simple for habits, routines, or facts that are always true. The sentence structure consists of subject plus base verb. For example, he jumps over puddles when it rains. They swim in the lake every summer. Present continuous. We use the present continuous for things happening right now. The sentence structure consists of subject plus the verb be plus verb with ing. For example, he is jumping on the trampoline now. They are swimming at the beach. Present perfect. We use the present perfect when something started in the past and continues in the present. The sentence structure consists of subject plus have or has plus past participle. For example, he has jumped over the fence before. They have swum across the river. Present perfect continuous. We use the present perfect continuous to show how long something has been happening. The sentence structure consists of subject plus have or has been plus verb with ing. For example, he has been jumping for 10 minutes. They have been swimming since noon. Now, the past tenses. Past simple. The past simple is used for actions that finished in the past. The sentence structure consists of subject plus past tense verb. For example, he jumped into the pool. They swam in the pool yesterday. Past continuous. The past continuous is used for actions in progress at a specific time in the past. The sentence structure consists of subject plus was or were plus verb with ing. For example, he was jumping in when the whistle blew. They were swimming when the lifeguard arrived. Past perfect. The past perfect is used for actions that happen before another past action. The sentence structure consists of subject plus had plus past participle. For example, he had jumped 3 times before he got tired. They had swum before lunch. Past perfect continuous. The past perfect continuous shows how long something was happening before another past event. The sentence structure consists of subject plus had been plus verb with ing. For example, he had been jumping on the trampoline all morning. They had been swimming for an hour before the storm. Next, the future tenses. Future simple. The future simple is used to talk about something that will happen. The sentence structure consists of subject plus will plus base verb. For example, he will jump from the rock. They will swim in the ocean tomorrow. Future continuous. The future continuous shows something in progress at a specific future time. The sentence structure consists of subject plus will be plus verb with ing. For example, he will be jumping into the pool when he gets home. They will be swimming during the afternoon. Future perfect. The future perfect is used to show something will be finished before a future time. The sentence structure consists of subject plus will have plus past participle. For example, He will have jumped over every hurdle by the end. They will have swum 20 laps by lunchtime. Future perfect continuous. The future perfect continuous shows how long something will have been happening by a future point. The sentence structure consists of subject plus will have been plus verb with ing. For example, he will have been jumping for half an hour. They will have been swimming for hours by the time we arrive. Finally, the conditional tenses. Conditional simple. The conditional simple is used to talk about possible future actions. The sentence structure consists of subject plus would plus base verb. For example, she would jump over the fence if the dog chased her. They would swim in the lake if the sun came out. Conditional continuous. The conditional continuous is used to show an action that might be happening now or in the future. The sentence structure consists of subject plus would be plus verb with ing. For example, she would be jumping with joy if she got the good news. They would be swimming right now if they were at the beach. Conditional perfect. The conditional perfect is used to talk about something that would have happened in the past. The sentence structure consists of subject plus would have plus past participle. For example, she would have jumped higher if she had trained more. They would have swum in the ocean if they had their swimsuits. Conditional perfect continuous. The conditional perfect continuous shows how long something would have been happening in the past. The sentence structure consists of subject plus would have been plus verb with ing. For example, she would have been jumping for hours if the trampoline hadn't broken. They would have been swimming if the pool had been open. Congratulations! You just learned all 16 English tenses with jump and swim. To keep practicing, re-watch this video. Pause and repeat the examples often to remember. Want more help? Click the link in the description to download our free worksheet to review all the tenses from this video. All the details are in the description below. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more lessons. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.